One thing I want to tell you is that I love all of you.
We love you.
Love you more. Jesus love you more.
Amen.
Thank you. Keep loving Jesus.
Amen.
The next time I will come here, many of you will have testimony.
Amen.
Thank you.
Daddy, please come to Germany.
This is an eye-opener. Other branches will go and organize their own.
They're leaving us. US.
And organize your own. Stop doing every branch, operation, organize your Sweden, go organize it. Which branch are you? Which state? Texas.
US, and you're saying that? US is organized. You can hire young people to organize. I'm here hearing you.
Please, man, register member here.
I can't picture this. I will make room.
We must go enjoy our drivers ready to go. We go! Fly! Go! All the roads are blue. Yes!
Which no bastard can stop.
Yes! Basta! Yes! No church. We're ready. Amen. We love you. We love you. Daddy, we love you. Hey! Tell me when to turn it off.
Where are you going? We're not going to wait now. I'm not to drive you. No, that goes my side. Go my side. Go on the side. Pull that out. Go on the side. Where am I going? I'm a worker.
That's all. Okay. It's very far there. And I'm just arriving now. Please.
Everybody.
Okay, bye.
Why don't you go home? Why don't you go home?
Daddy!
That's a good one. I'll go to the husband, Jesus.
Daddy! Were you here on Saturday?
Yes. Tell me 1 minute. Let me know if you're here.
Just there was a girl in her grade. She walked the line of her leg.
Tell me what happened.
She walked. They were testing me out. It rained about 6 o'clock. But what happened to but I was here. I believe it, yeah? I was. Come back to me.
You have been in Nigeria tonight.
Yeah, you have been in Lagos. Steve, come. Steve.
I've gone down there. What will surprise you?
People should shut up their mouth and talk about Ireland. It will happen if we replace man. People should shut up their mouth and don't stop measuring Ireland. I finish here now. Up was here. And then we can do Ireland now. So can we remember what Workers.
Hello.
Workers. First and then workers.
Steward, this Steward.
Oh, Jesus! Stop throwing them on me.
I don't really have program because they're happy.
Okay, man.
That close them.
Excuse me real quick, look, I'm videoing live. Yes. Oh. Hey, what's up? Yes, I have the camera. Okay, I'll see you.
Security, line up, security. Galat. Security.
He's here.
Where's he going? Security.
I don't know. He's blessing the workers now. He's blessing the workers.
I've got my gallant, good.
Okay.
Gallant.
Can you guys just... You guys, I have the lives.
Sorry. I got no fever. How we deal it?
Join the gallant. Go. Join the gallant.
Oh, I'm not going to forget.
second shot, Henry.
Daddy, you promise. Daddy, please.
Go back, go back, go back.
Stop! You guys, I have the live.
Go back. Go back.
I have the live.
Block it. You fear? Check go and shoot.
Space. Back up a little bit.
Daddy says, no, when it's end on.